Okay, it's D-day. It somehow overlapped with the actual D-day. That's kind of weird. But still. So before going into the hospital for the full whole body scan using the gamma ray detector and also the intake of the I-131, which is the main radioactive or the radioisotope of the iodine, that's going to kill off all the remaining thyroid cells in my body, including normal and cancerous cells. Because the no thyroid cells, no thyroid cancer anymore. So one less problem. Before going off, I wanted to just check, to set another baseline. Although I'm going to run all those Bayesian inference, so it should all be automatically taken care of. But let's just set up the baseline more carefully. So again, I'm using what was it? Okay, let's see, here we go. GQ GMC 500 plus. Let's see. Yesterday we saw that this Geiger counter kind of went crazy until very late evening, but now this morning, because it has been overnight, and then the half-life of I-123, which I took yesterday, is approximately about 13 hours, so it should be less than half. And also we need to take into consideration that I pee, I sweat, so in other words, I probably have already got rid of quite a bit of I-123 overnight until now. And understandably, you see that the Geiger counter is not going as crazy as before. And let's see how far it goes up. So I'm reading about 780 now, 800 CPM. And 570, 80, 90, okay, 6 millisievert an hour. Let's see how far it goes up. As I said yesterday, I think I should wait a bit for this measurement or the count to stabilize. Seems like it has stabilized quite a bit already. So I'm seeing about 990, 980, okay, 1000 or less so, and 6.5 millisievert. So the difficulty is that it's not really exactly a very controlled measurement. It highly depends on how close I'm going to get this Geiger counter toward my stomach. It also depends probably on what kind of clothes I'm wearing and so on, but it's a pretty much amateur science or the citizen science here, so nothing to worry about. So at the moment it's about 1050 CPM and 6.7 millisievert. I would say this has actually pretty much converged. Alright. 1050, 677. Alright, let's record it here. 1050, 677. So it has actually dropped more than half over 12 hours, which means that I have indeed got rid of a bit of I-123, probably peeing, I guess, right? So if I remember correctly, the excess iodine is processed by kidney and then it is dumped out of my body via pee. So, all right, now I'm heading out to the hospital to get the blood test first, and then get the whole body scan, and then to take I-131. See you soon.